In today's video, we do a very quick and basic unboxing of a Hanna test kit that I've got my hands on lately. I've seen a lot of posts lately on the Hanna test kits. It has got me a little intrigued, whether they're more accurate, whether you can get a different range of tests out of these type of kits. We have the pH pen, there's the alkalinity, there's the calcium, also the phosphorus. Also in the kit you get yourself some storage liquid for your pH pen, some reagents for your ultra low range phosphorus, you get some deionized water for your pH pen to keep it clean, and you also get some powders for your calibration for your pH pen. If you thought this video was informative and you'd like to see a few more, like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell your mates all about it, and comment on what your thoughts are on these Hanna test kits. I can't wait to get into them and give them a try for myself. But hey, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.